Two, we can conquer this challenge. I got conquer me. If you work together, you can stay together. I'm telling you, get a money chain of forever, forever. But you have to show the passion and the willingness to commit beyond every challenge. The other person get show. Sometimes your partner do weak. You say, my guy, weak. You are slacking, he has slack. And I prioritize where your friends are ahead of us. And I prioritize many things ahead of us. Which you get the very, very precious. If you close your eyes, you will lose in an instant. Two can play the game, but when two play the game, there's no game. Somebody went on a marriage, we're seeing people do na my DM. Today, before you can come to that conclusion, you will go discussions in and make outside your marriage. That means that your marriage about the way it's supposed to be. If you're a man, and I want you to people line up on your DM, that means you entertain that DM. That is the problem we're having today. Pride, I put to go up. I will leave well up everything possible priority. What about these children? Have you ever considered? After seeing us for a long time, and I separate here. This is the for the people cannot in the situation to work their things out. Oblong body abuse and crush, then I don't have any alternative than to tell you to let it go. Umumugo. Yes. My followers, Namunga Umugu president. Our Mugu president. Let's blow it hot here. Can I be a code? And with something they got grab here. And with something they got grab. Don't be enticed. People will come to you from the beginning or the very flashy. At the end of the day, they will give you that thing. Something. My first girlfriend, Abado. And on a 22-story building, young one on a 18, the other side. On an ocean, kuku delim nombia. It took sign language. Oshini kukudelim nombia mpele nombia boy control onye. Oshim no when DGA. I have to go there and set her free. Mbulia. Onya with that first girl meche na. Mano meche na bebe jedi me. Luo bebe ojel holiday mbali gimoto. Holiday nye gebi juwejewo holiday. In an holiday, December 2009, kena holiday. Iwe pala wime we bata we ko duonye. Kabalizia mu